My name is Ruben Moran and I'm a restaurant critic and food journalist. And it's my pleasure to be with you here at CES 2022. We created this exclusive connected living zone to bring you all together so we can enjoy the very best connected experiences that Samsung aims to offer with intelligent devices. We hope to inspire you with our innovations and seamless connectivity that you're going to see very shortly. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to one of our connected living experiences. This is Samsung's next generation robot, BotChef. BotChef is an AI-powered collaborative robotic arm that can use everyday kitchen tools. As a cooking assistant, BotChef can guide you through recipe steps while cutting, mixing, and seasoning as needed. We're excited about bringing this technology to your kitchen because look, when it comes to meal prep, nothing beats an extra set of hands in the kitchen. Let me show you what I mean. Hey BotChef.
Hi Chef, what are we making today?
Now, there's no need to instruct this robot with complicated unnatural programming and understand the user's voice commands. And it can also find recipes and break them down into helpful actions like this. Hey BotChef, let's make a salad.
Okay, which one would you like to make?
How about the sesame tofu salad?
Okay, let's see what we have here.
Now it's analysing the recipe and figuring out which steps it can help me out with.
Okay, I'll heat up the stove. Can you pass me the tofu?
Okay, BotChef. There's the tofu.
Next you add the cabbage while I heat the tofu.
Okay, I can do that. Now Samsung knows that in order for this technology to really make an impact in our everyday lives, it needs to be affordable. That's why we've engineered these robots from the ground up, using custom gearboxes and electronics that will help their price tag read more like a kitchen appliance instead of a luxury car. Now the bot is designed with safety in mind, so if it's holding something sharp and I get too close, it can slow down or even stop in order to keep my hands safe. Now, I know that the idea of a robot being in your kitchen might be a little bit intimidating for some of us, but there is nothing to worry about with various different safety mechanisms in place that will put your mind at ease. Hey BotChef, I've added the cabbage.
I finished cubing the tofu. After you added the cabbage, please put the tofu in the pan.
Okay. Now that's another great thing about BotChef. It walks you through the recipes, so you'll never miss a step or lose your place. And if I'm unsure of what to do next, I can just ask. Hey BotChef, what's next?
Next you are going to cut spring onions, 1 carrot, and then a bell pepper.
Okay. Now, we want these robots to be easy for anyone to use. So we're developing an ecosystem of various different skills that user can download and use with simple voice input. So let me show you what I mean. Hey BotChef, can you make me some coffee?
I'm not sure how to do that yet. Would you like me to download that skill?
Yes, please.
Okay, downloading.
Now that BotChef knows what it needs to complete this task, it can use our AI and computer vision algorithms to search the environment for the necessary items and then plan a path to complete my request. Now, one of the features of the robot is its ability to use everyday appliances that we don't traditionally consider smart appliances. Items like this coffee machine are operated by a physical push of a button via the robot. This three-finger gripper has been designed to pick up hard-to-grab objects like these coffee pods, and it has a significant grip strength that allows it to pick up a wide variety of everyday objects. It also has an ability to lift objects of different weights, from something light, like those little coffee pods, to something a lot heavier, like a full bottle of oil, as we saw earlier.
I'll add the dressing. I'm having trouble locating the dressing. Can you help me find it?
Now, when the system scans the environment and can't find an object that it needs, it will let you know that it needs your help. As soon as I place the item within view of the robot,
There it is.
It will detect the object and figure out how best to grasp it. Now I see that the next step is to add some sesame seeds, but one of the great things about this is that I can change the recipe up on the fly and add a step myself at any time. For example, I personally like a little bit of heat in my dish, so if I want to make this salad a little bit more spicy, all I need to do is just say, "Hey bot chef, can you add some sriracha?"
Okay, I'll add sriracha as well as the sesame seeds.
Here, the robot is showing us that even if it is mounted to your upper cabinets, you aren't going to lose cabinet space due to the low profile design. The under cabinet mounting is great because not everyone keeps all the ingredients that they need out on the counter. And now the robots have access to your cabinet storage as well. Now picking up a bottle might seem like a difficult task, but the gripper is designed to be very sensitive. It can easily distinguish between picking up and squeezing something like this sriracha bottle. And once the robot's finished squeezing the bottle into our dish, it's able to return the bottle back to where it originally took it from, back inside the cabinets, closing the door once it's done.
The tofu should be done. Would you mind adding it to the salad?
Of course. Working within this amazing ecosystem of Samsung smart appliances and services, Bot Chef can help anyone prepare a healthy and delicious meal efficiently at home and have a little bit of fun doing it as well. Thanks, Bot Chef.
Bon appetit!
Thanks so much for joining us here at the Samsung Connected Living Zone. On behalf of me and Bot Chef, enjoy the rest of your time here at CES.